Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday here at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to start out with some coffee. I'm drinking coffee right now because it's a little chilly out, guys. This is Coffee Chalk by Riley Blake. Look at those fun things. And then we move on to Whimsical Romance. There's some script here, I think it's about William Shakespeare. Really pretty and just kind of a soft muted, which is nice. I kind of like that style. This is So Little Time. A couple of sewing machine bolts there, or sewing bolts. Although there are sewing machines on them, so that works too, right? And then, where are we going? Oh. You know my love of all things succulents. So of course we just got a little rando bolt. But you could throw so many blenders with that. I'm pretty excited. Okay, let's go right here to Lavender Sachet. This is a Maywood. Love how they threw that light in with the dark there, that combination, of course, that green as well, and it goes to right there, that guy. And then we're moving on. Are we ready to, what is it called? Throwback to Petal Power. Look at that retro hippiness. This is me and my sisters. We have the entire line from them at Moda. And don't forget, we also have all the pre-cuts. We got the mini charms. We got the charms. We got the fat quarter bundles. We got the layer cakes. We got the jelly rolls. Maybe we got the jelly rolls. We may have sold it. Oh, no, I see one. I see a jelly roll, guys. Okay, and then we have a new book. This is fun. And it is appropriately called The Big Book of Quick to Finish Quilts. There's 52 in here. You can see a good sampling there. Another little sampling there. Really beautiful book. Lots of different projects, different size projects. So that's we already have like 4 of the ladies at the shop has bought that book. And then we have a couple of new cross stitch patterns here. The So Happy and the Snowballs for Sale. Oh, look at his little buttons there. And then we actually got a couple of Halloween cross stitch. So Spooky October and then Haunted. Those are sweet little fun things. All right, and then come on back with me. We're gonna go to the kids area. This is super fun. It's called Eat Your Veggies. It's by Riley Blake. They're dinosaurs. Because as you know, some dinosaurs are herbivores. Some aren't, right? But they eat herbivores, and the herbivores have eaten the veggies, and so it's Eat Your Veggies. It's super cute. I like it. And then we have a couple of bug ones. These are fun. They're from Studio E. It's called Bugging Out. This dark one, is actually glow in the dark. So that's kind of fun. We had a cicada-filled summer, so my kids are super into bugs now, and that would be great. And then we have, I think, some Halloween stripes. I feel like we have some Halloween stripes. Super cool. I mean, I know Halloween is soon, but when we see good stripes for Halloween, we always buy them. So it's that ticking style, but in the black and the orange. And then we have a Holly Jolly tree skirt. So if you want to make a tree skirt, now's your time to shine, people, because it's not Christmas yet. You got plenty of time. And this is using Christmas Morning, which we have that entire line. It's right down here along the bottom by Lella Boutique. So there are different sizes for this pattern as well. So if you want a small one because you have just a little apartment tree, or you got a like giganto area, you can make the bigger tree skirt. So we will be live this Sunday, October 24th at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with the Fab Stash Show. Until then, happy quilting. Bye.